guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramat. If you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people. So today I'm going to be showing you on how you can draft a basic body pattern. So I'll be showing you step by step. These are what you're going to be needing for this class. After then, I will ensure my pattern is on full just as you see in the video. Then I'll rule a straight line which will stand as my starting point. After then, I'm going to take my shoulder to nipple measurement. I will take it as you are seeing me doing in the video. I will take shoulder to waist measurement and shoulder to blouse length measurement, the full length of my top. After then, I will use a ruler to connect the lines together, just as you see me do in the video. So after connecting the line together, I ensure I label each line so that I won't get confused. You can as well do that, label it with anything you know you understand with. Then I'll go ahead to mark my shoulder line, my shoulder measurement divided by 2. Then I'm going to mark it out. After taking my shoulder measurement divided by 2, I will take the 3 inches for the wideness of my neck. We don't want that's a normal standard. After taking the 3 inches, just as you see me mark in the video, I will go in by 3 inches again for the deep depth of my neck. Then after going in, then I'm going to use a cuff rule to connect the lines together, just as you're seeing me doing in the video. The depthness of your neck depends on how deep you want your neck. So the 3 inches is not compulsory for the depthness of the neck. After that, then I'm going to take my 1 inches from the shoulder because our shoulder is not straight. It is curved like a bend. So I'm connected together just as you see me in the video. After then, I will take measurement of my armhole. So your bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. That's measurement of my armhole. Then I'll rule it out and label it as my chest point, just as you see me doing in the video. Can you see? After then, I will look for the midpoint as you see me doing, and I'll come in by 1/2 inch. After coming by 1/2 inch, I'll use a cuff rule to connect the lines together to my chest point, just as you see me doing in the video. Then I will take my nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. I will take it on the waistline, I will take it on the bust line, and on the blouse length. So just as you see me doing in the video. After then, I will come up by 2 inch. So coming up by 2 inch on that nipple measurement point. Can you see? If you are bustier, you can use 2.5. I'll come up. Can you see the way I come up? Then I'm going to take my nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. Then I will rule a straight line so that I will ensure that I'm working on the nipple to nipple straight line measurement. I will connect it together with the ruler, just as you see me doing. After then, I'm going to take out my dart. You see the way I'm going to roll it out so that I ensure I have a nice dart measurement. So I made a mistake here. I was connecting my ruler from the blouse length instead of I'm supposed to connect my ruler, my dart, from where we come up by 2 inch. So I'm going to be dropping a picture so that you can see the correct way you're supposed to roll it out. So you have to roll out your dart hop from where we come up with 2 inches. We're going to be seeing the difference on the video now. Can you see? So I'm supposed to roll out from where we come up by 2 inches, not from the blouse length. Please don't make a mistake like me. So can you see now? So you're supposed to come up from where we come up by 2 inches. So you're supposed to roll from where we come up by 2 inches. I hope you understand at this point. Can you see? So please, you're supposed to come up from where we come up by 2 inches, not from the blouse length. So that's why I added the picture so that you can see the correct way it's supposed to look like. So don't make a mistake like me, and I'll roll it out. After then, you see now we are done with our dart measurement for this pattern. Now we go ahead to take our measurements now. So I will come to my bust point. My bust divided by 4. Then I'm going to take the measurement from the bust, from the chest point. my bust divided by 4. I'll take it from the chest point. Then I'll take my tape to the waist point as well. I'll take my waist divided by 4. After taking it, remember that there's 1 inch dart in between that we took the other time. So on the dart, if you notice on that nipple to nipple measurement on the dart, we come in by ½ inch and we come out by ½ inch. That's making 1 inch. Can you see the way I'm pointing to it? So I didn't explain that when I was explaining the dart. So then I will add the 1 inch back to my measurement, because just addition and subtraction. So that's it. So then I will take for my blouse length, my hip divided by 4. That's then I will mark it out. Then I will connect the line together. Pay attention to the way I connect the line. I'll use a ruler to connect it from bust to waist. Then I'll use a curve rule to connect from waist to hip, just as you see me doing in the video. Don't make the mistake when you're making your dart. At the nipple to nipple measurement on the waistline, I come in by ½ inch and I come out by ½ inch. So and I rule it out. Please don't make a mistake on that point. Please just pay attention to how I'm doing it in the video. Can you see the way I'm placing my cuff row? Just place your cuff row as you see me doing in the video. After then, I love my blouse length to look a bit curvy at the edge. So I'll just come up by 1 inch from the bottom of my blouse. It is not compulsory. It's not compulsory. After I come up, I'll just curve it out. It is not compulsory. That aspect is not compulsory. But I love the way it looks when my blouse is a bit curvy from the bottom. So, and I'll just use my cuff roll to connect the lines. Can you see? Just come up by 1 inch so that it will not look sharpened on the side. And that's it, guys. So that's it, and this is what we have at the end. So, and I use my straight ruler to straighten the front part since I've already cut the side. So that is how it is, and this is how we have on our front pattern. Can you see the way it looks? Don't make the mistake, like I said, on the nipple on the dart side, please. So I want to remove my side dart. My side dart is my back measurement, shoulder to waist on the back and shoulder to waist in the front. You subtract it from each other, so it's giving me 2 inches from my own, and I will now come to the bust point. I will come down and subtract the 2 inches. After subtracting the 2 inches, I'll connect it to my dart point, which is where the bust point started. Can you see the way I connected it? So from shoulder to waist in the front is 16, shoulder to waist in the back is 14. You subtract it, that's 2 inches. Then I will now come to the bust point and come down by about 2 inches, and I will take it out and I will connect it with the dart line, just as you see me doing in the video. It's as simple as I just follow the way I did it in the video. I just try to take the midpoint of what I did now. So it's not compulsory, because at the end of the day, you're going to sew it in when you're making your dress. So this is how it looks, guys. This is it. It comes out nice. If you follow the way I did it, you're going to have a nice outcome, just as same. Then I will cut it out. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, likes and share so YouTube can recommend this video. So I will label my front pattern as front so that I won't get confused. So we're going to the back pattern now. So for our back pattern, we are repeating the same procedure. It's just that we're going to be having a zipper allowance at the back. It means that our back is going to be 2. So I repeat the same measurement for the back, just as we did in the front. Remember when I was trying to explain to you then the other time that I'm supposed to come up from where the 2 inches. So the only difference is I'll come from my waist, I will measure the length of my waist. Can you see? I will replace it back to the back. So I'm coming down from the length of my waist in the front. I will take it from, I will do the same thing for the back. Then I will remove ½ inches from the waist point at the zipper allowance, because if you don't want your dress to have a zipper bow, then ensure that you subtract ½ inches from the waistline on the zipper part, just as you see me doing the video. And the neck of my back is higher than the front. It's choice. By the end of by the time you are done, your front should be longer than the back because of the dart measurement. But by the time you sew in your side dart, it's going to be equal, just as you see me doing. So don't forget, the only difference, my measurement from the waist in the back, I took measurements of my front pattern from waist to the length of the blouse, then I put it back on the, I measure it back on the waist to the length at the back. And that is it about how to draft a basic pattern body. If you find this helpful, don't forget to comment, like and share. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.